We are cooking fried fish today. So all you need, clean your fish up, and when it's still wet, put all those spices, including salt, pour the flour on it, make sure it's submerged in the flour, and put your oil, make sure it's nice and hot. I cook mine on medium high. Mix it up, shake the flour, and put it in. Welcome or welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I've got lots of videos down there if you want to check them out. Cook a lot of stuff, gardening. You can do this also with chicken. You can fry chicken same way, same seasoning, and it will come up real good. And make sure you just keep checking and turning, like you can see me turning the fish a little bit more. It's just good to make it all crispy on both sides. If you're enjoying this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day.